Hello there, I'm Christina Bonte Fisher. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making my thyme grilled halibut with my tomato coulis sauce. You can find this recipe in my book, Skinny Chicks Eat Real Food. It is so good, so flavorful, and just look at the small amount of ingredients. This is not hard to grocery shop for, people. It's really quite easy. For my thyme grilled halibut, I've got halibut, some fresh thyme sprigs, I've got olive oil just for basting. So we're gonna do juice of 1 lemon, salt, and pepper. Look at this, such a small amount of ingredients, yet it's going to be flavor packed. So let's get started. So I like to have a lemon on hand. Just gonna squeeze it and get it cut in half here. Lemon juice, when you're grilling fish, you just baste it with some lemon juice and olive oil. It's incredible. So I'm just gonna do that. I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil in with my lemon juice. Just give it a little mix. And you can use that to baste onto your fish when you're grilling it. I'm going to give it a little bit of salt. Okay, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper on the halibut. Before I even get out to the grill, I'm going to take my olive oil, lemon base. I'm just going to put a little bit on it. Okay. And then I have my grill warming up. We're going to head out there and we're going to get grilling this halibut. I'm going on the sides, people. I'm going on the sides. Take it down the edges, okay? So one other thing is, if you see one at the store, I think it's really wise to invest in a fish griller. I love this little thing. It's amazing. And this helps with this recipe. So when I get out by the grill, we're gonna spray it with some cooking spray. I'm gonna put the thyme in there. We're gonna smoke that thyme for about 2 minutes in the grill. Then I'm gonna add the halibut to it, and I'll show you when we're out by the grill, okay? So let's head out. Here we come. Luigi, are you coming with me? He usually likes to hang out with me by the grill. Okay, we are at the grill. It is totally to temperature. I have it like on a medium high. First thing I'm going to do is, I love this fish griller. So you want to take your fish griller and you should just put a little bit of cooking spray on it. Just a little, don't go crazy. Put a little bit on this one. Okay, there we go. Then you're going to take the thyme, see the thyme, and you're just going to put it into the fish griller. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a little bit of a smoke going on inside the grill. And the thyme, the aroma, the flavor of it gets into the halibut. But first we've got to smoke the grill with the thyme. Here we go. So here we go. I'm going to set it on the grill. And I'm just going to close the top for like 1 minute. 1 minute. I'm counting, okay? I'm going to dance. I'm going to go find my dog. We have wine, but I want to open up the wine just yet. Can you smell that? Wow, that is good. So now you can't smell, obviously, if you're watching this, but see how it's smoking? So some really good flavor is cooking into that. Now I'm going to get my halibut. It's not too hot, so I'm touching it. It was only in there for 1 minute, so I'm good. I'm all good. I'm going to put my halibut in there, right on top of the thyme. Well, it says, my recipe in the book says skin side down. We're putting skin side up. Sorry, skin side up. I'm going to put a little bit more on the top. Again, you should time this. We're going to put it in. I want the thyme, the aroma of the thyme to, again, cook into my halibut. Just going to leave it like this for 1 minute, and then I'm going to lift it up. Woo! And we're just going to let this cook. I'm going to watch it. Every grill is different. For me, it's about 10 minutes on one side and about 5 minutes on the other. So that's what I'm going with. There you go. Okay, so I've got my olive oil and lemon juice, and I'm just going to use this opportunity to baste really quick. I could not do this without the fish griller. This looks great. So my halibut is cooking up nicely. It's grilling up nicely. I'm just going to add a little bit more of my olive oil and lemon juice because I love that flavor cooked in. It's been on the grill for about 7 minutes. These are really thick pieces of halibut. I mean, the butcher today gave me the thickest halibut he had. I didn't ask for that. It's just what he gave me. So it's going to probably need a few more minutes. Watch your grill. I would tend to keep it on the low side versus the high side when you're dealing with fish. Okay. Oh, I'm closing the lid here. So your halibut with the thyme should grill for 6 minutes on one side. Then you want to open it, flip it, baste it again with your lemon juice and olive oil, and then let it grill for about another 6 minutes. But keep checking it because you don't want it to overcook. There is your beautiful thyme grilled halibut. Oh, okay, so that fell off. It's not always perfect in the Skinny Chick's kitchen or the Skinny Chick's backyard, but we work with it, people. We work with it. Okay, so there you go. The grill is off. Just gonna move this out of the way. I hope you're enjoying your swim, Luca. And here's my husband. Honey, would you like to have some halibut for lunch with some tomato coulis? Okay, I love it. Okay, so bon appetit.